Got myself a sausage bat to start the day. Got a Costa, about to start my day as well. Oh, what's poppin'? It's your boy TJ. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, your boy TJ has got another video for you guys. VIP this week. It's literally Wednesday morning right now. VIP have made over 20% profit using 1% risk, and I'm not even joking. We got 15% yesterday. 2 trades sent, 2 trades hit. TP1, TP2 is absolutely crazy. I'll show you the trades in a minute, but if you're new around here, then make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notifications on, because your boy TJ uploads content every 3 days, trading on the Forex market. You know, we do the FTMO, which is the funded videos. We've got flipping challenges. We've got, you know, gold analysis. So much to learn on this channel. Make sure that you are subscribed. And of course, if you're looking for free signals, then make sure to check the link in description. And also, we've got a community Discord for all of the Forex traders. If you're experienced or a beginner, join up, link in description, click on the Discord server, join up, because you do not want to be missing out. Literally over 1,000 people in there right now. We talk on a daily basis. There's a private chat, group analysis. There's so much that you need to go check out. And VIP as well, which is, you know, the reason for this video. 15% yesterday. I'll show you the trades, but link in description. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so now we're on the charts. Let's get into it. We got gold buy. Gold has been absolutely volatile, you know, the past, I would say even like the last 3 or 4 months, you know, since it's come from 1678 all the way to now 1890 actually touched. Now we sent gold buys in VIP 1864 entry, and now obviously I've got there on replay. I want you to show this trade. I want you guys to understand how I actually look at gold, and also how you can actually use this for the FTMO, because the reason of this whole video is for you guys to understand how to pass FTMO, because there are people who will fail with their max daily loss. You need to use a risk management app called Xauusd. Start trading with 0.5% every trade. If there's multiple TPs, risk max 1%, and obviously get your gold analysis, or get an analysis for each pair. Now, I know that gold is going to be moving to the upside. You know, it's been bullish for a long time now, and it's come down to 1852. Now, this 1852 spike to the downside was clearly a fundamental thing, because what it's doing is it is dropping the price all the way down, you know, collecting all the orders, spiking out all of the buyers already previously in from, you know, the stage where it engulfed bullish from the 1855 range. But the problem is, right, people who don't trade or retail trade will not be looking out for these spikes. You know, they'll be seeing price come down to this congested level here, and then they'll be getting in at 1863. Now, where this is, 1863 is a good, you don't want to be premature with your entry. And now this is like a FOMO, it's called, which is fear of missing out. How I would look at it as an experienced trader, been trading for a long time, is that if I'm outside looking in, and how I trade, I don't want to just rush into a trade, because then I could take a loss. You're only as good as your last trade, and the fact of this whole thing is that you need to have a good start. So if you know, rush your trade and you're like, oh yeah, I'm gonna rush in, and you're not 100% confident on that trade, then, you know, it's probably gonna do something like this. And this is what gold does, it spikes out. So we see the spike out at 1852. Now you see it bullish engulfing all the way to 1890, which was 1880, sorry, which was TP1. Okay, TP1 was 1880. It went past 1880, and then it literally come 8 pips off our TP2. However, I know now it's dropped all the way down to 1852, 1855. Now it's come all the way back up and made a high. So it's made a lower high, higher high, but this is a manipulation spike. So now we're looking, where is it gonna go to? It's just made a new high. It's probably gonna come down. It's not gonna come all the way to 1852. It's probably gonna come down to the congestion level where it's forming, you know, it's probably gonna come down to the congestion level where price is collecting orders, you know, bouncing off a little small channel made right here. And that's at 1864. So now, obviously, I'll play this through to you guys. You're expecting gold to do this, you know, it goes from higher highs to lower highs or down to the supports. Now, this is where you can't enter mid-entry, and people trading gold, you know, even if gold come up here, they'll enter at 1871. However, they'll be buying here, and they might have made profit, but the fact of the matter is, with this sort of trading, that's not how you trade. The entry's down here, SL entry, easy. Let me show you how this trade plays out, and let me show you where we actually got entries in VIP, and why you guys can take what I'm actually teaching you and implement it into your actual trading plan. Now, what happened? Gold come down to the congestion level, 1863, 1864, bang, collected orders come from 1890, collected orders. And what I would just want to say, look at the times as well. You know, from when price pulled up just before New York session opened, what happened? Price started to fall down after New York session opened, bearish all the way down to 1864. This is where you need to understand that is your entry there. 1864 is your entry because you're looking at the levels. This is a perfect level acting as a support. Look at that rejection right there. Pulled up, come back down again. Can it break? Can it continue bearish? No, it's not going to continue bearish because on the 4 hour, gold is bullish. It's been bullish for a long time on the 4 hour as shown just there. Look at the 4 hour candle. Rejection, massive wick rejection. Sellers not doing a lot, buyers are getting in, and it's too easy. It's too easy to take price back up. And this is what you guys need to understand with trading gold, is that you need to be patient. Make sure you get entry with FTMO as well. If you get sniper entry, you move SL to entry. Therefore, you're gonna have a risk-free trade. A lot of beginners don't understand risk-free trading, SL entry, they don't understand it. However, when moving SL entry, so say if you bought in on gold at 1864 like we did, and now you see gold running 1874. Yes, we are now actually up 100 pips profit. You can move SL to entry for a risk-free trade and hold for your TP if you believe in your analysis. Now that's a perfect thing to do. In my opinion, that's something that you should implement in your trading because it will really help. That's something I thoroughly try and get into the VIP members, even the free trade members. Link in description, obviously, for free trades, Discord and all that. But SL entry is one of the best things because you don't get attached to the trade. If your trade's running, I use 20 pip SLs. So a 20 pip SL will get me, you know, say if I have a 100 pip take profit, I'm making 5% if it hits TP. But I don't want to, because my SL is so tight, I don't want to take a 1% loss on that trade. So if it's running -10, I will close for 0.5% loss. Or if it's up like 20-30 pip, I'm just going to move SL entry, because if it comes back down, for example, to the 1852 and then goes back up, at least I can get break-even trade and then alert set, like it is actually on the screen, ready to get the drop and then get the buy back up. That is 100% something that everyone should do in their trading day to day. Obviously, not over leveraging your account. NO1 pair. If you've got like 3 TPs, then please use sensible risk, 0.5 per each position or 0.3% per each position. But obviously with this gold trade throughout the day, you know, this is in the morning, not a lot going on at all. But this is where you got to keep your psychology. We ended the trade last night during Tokyo session, London Open, nothing happening. But look at what happens here, and we actually called 1867 entry as well on VIP. So we had 2 calls on these buys. That's how much I believed in the trade. I wanted my members to make a lot of money, and that's just exactly what we do. And look here, SL's entry not gonna get tapped because you got sniper entry. That's so important with trading. And then what happens when it comes back down? Collects orders. And what does it, like, honestly, it's all it's done is collected orders. It's just tricking the market, consolidating, figuring out what to do. Basically, for beginners, for retail traders, you know, they'll be buying in at 1875, thinking it's going long to 1890. They'll be selling here thinking, no, this is just a retest right here. Let's get in this as sells. And then what does it do? It hits literally 1866, 20 pips away from our entry at SL for break even, and then it just absolutely flies all the way up. And this is why it's important to get really good sniper entry, to understand and believe in your analysis when you're trading, because that helps massively. And these risk reward trades, 8% right here, and we hit over 20% this week in VIP, which is more than needed to complete FTMO. Over 20%, you know. And obviously I'll show all the trades for you guys. This is easy stuff. Obviously looking at this for you guys might be slightly, you know, a bit confusing, But if I can help you, you know, you got my Twitch, you got all my YouTube channels to trade gold, watch it, because it will actually help you. And as you can see here, price comes up, 1884. What's happening? Pulls back a little bit, but we got SL entry, holding our psychology, holding your trades. You know, this is the next day. We're still waiting, still holding, and it absolutely flies. It skyrockets. I'm not gonna lie, it absolutely skyrockets. We hit TP1, TP2, closed TP3. We hit TP1 on our own position. I closed TP2 for 1890, but we do actually touch 1890. And obviously, the whole point of this analysis is that the trade taken is about a sniper entry. It's 20 pip a sell for the risk to reward. In trading, you need to get good risk to rewards and smart trading. Closing for break even. Closing for break even. SL entry, close for break even. Use risk management apps. Get in free trades, get in discords. If you want to pay $44.99 a month, then get in VIP, over 200 people in there. This is such a simple gold trade. It's just support, resistance, a bit of fundamental trading as well because of the wick outs. But it's expected, and all I'm trying to say is when you get a good analysis, anything can happen in the Forex market. But if you stick to your psychology, holding your mindset, not getting emotional with your trade, and seeing how this trade played out, as you can see, 1890 did get touched. This is how you can make the profits, man. This is how you can complete FTMO. You can't complete FTMO by using stupid risk per each position. It's a marathon, not a sprint. You've got 30 days to complete this challenge. Use the 30 days. If you're in profit and you do not complete the challenge, then you get a free retake. You should not be failing FTMO. Fact. It has been your boy TJ. Much love on the video. I appreciate all your support. Honestly, like this video, comment anything you want. I'll reply back. I just can't believe the support has been insane. As I said, VIP over 200 members now as well. Love you guys. Much love. Stay safe. I'll be back with another video in the next 3 days. Turn on notification. But until next time, let's go, baby. Peace.